Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to copy and paste from Secured PDF 2024. So firstly, you have to open your browser. Then you have to write here Passpr, Passpr for PDF. Now you have to click on the second option or the first option, Passpr for PDF. This one. Click on this link. Then you have to download now. Just click on download now and it will be downloaded in your computer. Now open file location. Just double click to install this. Now click on install anyway. Click on install. It will take some seconds to minutes, so you have to hold on. Okay, I'm pausing the mic. I'll be right back when it's complete. It's almost done. Now click on start now. Click on this plus icon and choose the PDF you want to make. Okay, you have to choose the normal file. Let's try this one now. Okay, the PDF is not supporting in my case, so I'm choosing different PDFs. Hold on. Alright, my PDF is not opening here, but in your case, if your password protected PDF is opened here, then it will ask you to register. Okay, it will ask you to register if you want to download this. So you have to buy this package or buy this subscription for 1 month, then you can use it. Okay guys, so after you buy this, it will allow you to export the file. So guys, this is how you can do this. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.